Market action of the day. The last street finally saw some green today. The Nifty and the Sensex both ended the day 1.5% higher as the Nifty recaptured the 8,000 mark and the Sensex shot up a good 400 points. All sectoral indices closed with gains of over 1% and FMCG and the metal stocks leading from the front. Very clearly, Sonia Shenoy is here with the detailed wrap of the day's trading action. Sonia, finally bulls could heave a sigh of relief.
Well, finally, the bulls made a comeback, and what a comeback it was. It was a terrific Tuesday of trade where the Sensex rallied 400 points today and the Nifty is now almost at the 8,050 level. So it covered quite a bit of ground, up about 1.5%. But, it is purely a short covering rally. We did see a lot of the beaten down sectors see their shots getting covered. So, for example, the pharmaceutical space where names like Aurobindo Pharma, Lupin, Cipla all rallied today. You also had some of the FMCG stocks. ITC was the biggest Nifty gainer, up about 4% and most traders believe that this is only a short covering rally. It's only after the market conquers that upper end of the trading range, somewhere to the tune of 8150, that's when you can say that, there is fresh buying that's emerged into the market. Till then, it will still be a sell-on rally markets. And it's very important to see what the FI numbers are later in the evening, because that will give you an indication of whether FIs are still selling into this market or not. Now, let's talk about what the list of stocks was. On the gaining side, as I mentioned, ITC, Tata Motors DVR, Bosch, these kind of stocks did well. If you're looking out for sectors, the pharma and the auto space did well. Aurobindo Pharma, Lupin, Cipla, Eicher Motors, Tata Motors and M&M did quite well today. In the mid-cap space, you had the cigarette companies that did very well. So Godfrey Phillips, VST Industries surged, and there was a bit of short covering seen in the NBFC space. So Bharat Financial Inclusion and Manappuram Finance rallied about 3 to 5%. Net, it is expiry week, so the volatility could continue. The volumes are on the downside, and 7950 to 8200 is the trading range in the near term.
All right, Sonia, much